Working on the Satellite again. Not going to be able to do much today, but get it up on jack stands and take a look underneath, see what we got going on under there. Clean out the interior a little bit and take a look at what we got going on. See what we find. I already know. I don't think that's savable, but we'll get a better look. Okay, scratch that. Current situation. You don't know, this is at my buddy's house. He's holding the car for me. I appreciate that. But his jack is not tall enough to even get the wheel off the ground when using the frame as a jacking point. What is this, a jack made for ants? So I will have to come back with my own jack later on. Alright, to the interior. Alright. Ooh. So the passenger door does not open from the outside. I mean, who would guess? So I had to crawl through there and open it. It's a little nasty. Yikes. You know, the condition of the interior isn't actually what I'm mad at. I'm mad at that color. Come on, man. Could you have picked an uglier color for the interior? Good Lord. Multiple people approved that. Anywho, so we already know that radiator's bad because, well, you know, look. And this is the Flintstones edition. Don't think there's a water pump in that box. Somebody tried to get this started because it's got a box from spark plug wires, and the ones under there look pretty good, so I think maybe they got it running and didn't want to mess with the radiator because those things are kind of expensive. I don't really know. We'll throw this away. Oh man, how many of y'all remember having couches like that? I remember that. And the wood paneling on the walls and everything smelled like Marlboros. Y'all remember that? Got these pieces of trim that go on the rockers. They actually look pretty straight. I can see a little bit of a ding in that one, but not much. Probably be able to clean those up and use them just fine. Yeah, those look pretty good. Not gonna rely on that. Ooh, wonder if this still sprays. Yeah, a little bit. Air cleaner, most of it. Looks like it's in decent shape. I don't know if we'll use that or not. Oh man, I don't remember radiators being that heavy. Oh Jesus. Yeah, that's bad. Original hubcaps, maybe? 3 of them. Oh, that one's not good. That one smells so good. I don't know what someone tried to do right there. How aggressive do you really need to be to air up the tires? That one actually looks good. But they're hideous, so I'm not using them. Ooh. Part of a, looks like they might have changed the stereo in the 80s. I Can't tell if that's original. I don't really know. Not very familiar with those. That looks probably like later than 70, so probably aftermarket. Let's go to the other side. By the way, I did test. This window does roll down. I haven't tried the passenger side yet. Oh, that's kind of cool. Opens up at an angle. Let's take a look. Just some random parts. Got the man. Wonder if that clutch is any good. It still turns. Probably gonna change that anyway, just to play it safe. Top of the air cleaner. Uh-oh. Oil bottles. Oh, it's leaking. Oh, Jesus. I think a mouse probably chewed that hole in it and decided it didn't like the way oil tastes. What is this one? Oh. Mustang stereo. Don't know that this ever got installed. Interesting. I mean, I'm not gonna do it, but I do like finding tools. Nice extension. Part of some sunglasses. And a bunch of sticks. Oh, carpet. I never understand what possesses somebody to put some of the stuff inside cars. What were they doing with this? Alright, well, I did a little bit of picking up off camera because, you know, I needed two hands. Get off my back, okay? Anyway, in the glove compartment of just about every old car, points and condenser, always. Make every drop count. 1990 Water Awareness Month. Water awareness? Who doesn't know about water? What else we got? Oh, receipt from CarQuest. Spark plugs, point set, and condenser. When was this? I like this stuff, by the way. 1997. This one's crispy. What is this? Homogenized? This is like a shopping list kind of thing? From Borden? Oh, maybe they worked at the dairy or something. Huh. Raider tire. I guess they, looks like they fixed a flat. $37, I'm guessing that's what happened. What else we got? Rocket smog. What in the world is that? Connect tack. Is there a tack? I don't know. Vacuum hoses. $26. When's the last time you paid $26 for labor? Looks like maybe a grill badge, but I know some of the Mopars came with like the red, white, and blue one, but I've never seen one like this, if that's what it is. clean top to bottom. And that mouse house goes way back up in there. Looks like they chewed this cardboard up pretty good. The little Milwaukee vacuum works pretty good, but that hose is just too small for this bigger stuff, so I'm having to use Austin's bigger one. See how it does. I know I didn't get a lot accomplished in this video. Hardly anything. That interior is trashed. But kind of have to do things in bit and pieces. I'm not a full-time YouTuber. I can't take a week and just revive a car and not get it back on the road like some of these guys can. They have everything they need. They got extra batteries sitting around. Those things are expensive. So the goal is obviously to get this thing back on the road. But I kind of have to do a piece at a time. That's, you know, I got a full-time job, so hope you guys don't mind sticking around, and please like and subscribe. That's how the channel grows, and maybe we can get me full-time someday. That would be nice, and I appreciate those of you that have already done that. But for now, I'll end this one here, and hopefully later this week I can come back and do some more, and please watch the next one.